Yes, I'm Roman, and this is my friend
Rhys.
Okay. So for today, we're going to do something a bit interesting. So we'll see which one of us actually knows Jamaica more. I'm Jamaican, yet he's quite involved in Jamaican culture, so I think he's much more Jamaican than I am if we're speaking about knowledge to some degree, depending on the category.
Just the music, man.
Music. So each of us will use ChatGPT to look for some questions. That way it's a bit more fair, and we'll see who basically has the more answers. Alright, so ready?
Okay, let's do it.
First question. Alright, so culture and food. What is Jamaica's national dish, and what are the two main ingredients used? That's easy.
National dish. 2 ingredients.
Yeah, so that's even a hint. The 2 ingredients used.
Ackee, saltfish.
Okay, so yeah.
Ackee and saltfish. In Jamaican cuisine, what is the main ingredient of a rundown?
Oh, rundown.
A traditional dish where fish is simmered in a thick sauce.
Yeah, so a bit of coconut sauce. Coconut sauce is the main ingredient. You also have okra. Oh, sorry, that's not English. You also have okra, coconut milk. You can have saltfish rundown, or you could have I've used saltfish or salted mackerel. That's the name, or codfish.
Okay.
Coconut sauce, right?
Okay, let's check.
okay. We should be right. I should be right.
Coconut.
Wicked. Of course, naturally. That's something we cook a lot. Used to. Alright, cool. So, culture and history, number 2. Who is considered Jamaica's national hero for his work in the Pan-African movement and founding the Universal Negro Improvement Association, UNIA? Easy.
Marcus
Messiah Garvey. Oh damn, I don't look at the answers. Yeah. Damn. You're sharp, right? You're sharp. Okay, wicked. So this is wicked. That's easy.
Marcus Garvey.
Sure question. Yeah. Damn, Marcus Garvey, man. Yeah.
Jamaican patois often uses the word nyam.
Easy.
What does nyam mean
to
in
eat,
English?
Eat. Easy. That was the easiest question. Okay, cool. All right, number 4. Number 3. Which genre of music known worldwide and associated with artists like Bob Marley originated in Jamaica in the late 1960s? Reggae. I'm thinking reggae. I'm not sure if I know the answer, but I'm thinking reggae. 1960s because Bob Marley is associated with reggae.
But
even though before reggae there was something else.
Yeah, blue beat and ska.
So I'm wondering, reggae preceded it.
Ska and blue beat. They call it.
Ska.
Ska, yeah.
Ska, is it ska?
We say ska, yeah. In England, people say ska.
Okay.
But people said reggae. People use the word reggae only from like the 80s onwards, because it was to do the reggae, to do a specific type of dance, like when you rock forward, like rocking, a bit like rock steady. But yeah, reggae was the name given to the music after the dance name became popular.
Alright, so I'm also saying reggae. Okay, cool. Yeah. Final answer.
Reggae. Yeah, I'd say reggae.
Alright, cool. Let's see. Reggae.
Yeah?
Cool.
Okay. Which female MC? Female MC from Jamaica had a massive hit tune called Bam Bam?
Nah, what? Bam Bam?
Yeah.
Massive female MC.
Bam.
Oh, okay. I know the song. I don't even know the girl's name. Hold on.
It begins with
hold on, wait. Couldn't be she, because she's a dancer. Oh damn, Claudia? No.
So sister. Second word.
Give me the first letter. Nadine.
Nah, Nancy.
Oh no,
Nancy.
I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Oh damn. That's not fair. That's not fair.
Right.
That's wicked.
Next question.
Alright, hold on. I think that question was too. That was hard. I didn't know that. Yeah. Our culture and geography. What is the name of the famous waterfall in Jamaica that's a popular attraction for tourists and locals alike?
I've never been to Jamaica, have I? I don't know, man. No idea. Diamond Falls.
Okay, I'm going to say Duns River Falls.
Huh?
I'm going to say Duns River.
Duns River?
Yeah.
Oh, and I said...
Okay. You've heard of it, yeah.
I said Diamond. I said a D.
Diamond. You said the D, but...
Right, I don't know it.
Let's see.
Go on.
Duns River Falls.
Duns River Falls.
Wicked, okay. Okay, no, but it's your question.
Okay, my question now. The seeds and unripe fruit of the ackee are toxic. and can cause Jamaican vomiting sickness if consumed.
It's true or false, yeah?
Is this true or false?
I would say yes, it's true, because we were taught as we were younger that you should always let the fruit open itself naturally, because if you force open it, then it can poison you. But it's not just the seed, which is the head, which we call the black head or whatever. It's also the red thing inside. You should be careful to not consume it, because we believe it's poisonous, which is why in Trinidad they don't eat it, or they are careful with it.
Yeah,
I'm right.
Yes, correct.
Wicked. Soft.
Right.
I think this is my last question. Yeah. Culture and language. What does the okay, cool. What does the Jamaican potter word? It's weird. What does the Jamaican potter word "irie" mean in English? Irie.
If you're irie, everything's alright. Everything good. That's how. That's
yeah, man.
Irie, yeah.
That's irie. Cool.
Feeling irie.
Yeah, things good. Everything great. Oh, that's it. Feeling good. Your last question, or that was
last question. What genre? What genre is the artist?
Nah, like
Skillibeng from?
Skillibeng? Isn't it dancehall? Skillibeng dancehall. Dancehall. Oh damn. Okay. So you're equally as Jamaican as I am, basically.
Nah. I think I didn't get two of them.
No, you just didn't get one. You didn't get just one, and I didn't get one for you, which is Nancy.
So four.
And that's four. So
each.
Not bad. So chat to me for like 10 seconds. Alright, cool. So I've showed people them say actually know chat potter, right?
What you want me to say?
Just one best Jamaican stock, and basically just what your favorite Jamaican artist?
Okay.
Yeah, what your favorite artist?
Put me on the spot.
Yeah. Just show people them say Cash and Mosso. Alright, sing one 10-second song that you sing song, Jamaican song you like. Because you want singer.
Okay. 1 second.
I mean, yeah, you get it. 10 seconds.
What can I even say in 10 seconds?
10 seconds is like a stretch. Like if it's 15, that's fine, but just for show people. I mean, it's pretty much obvious. You know about Jamaica.
Dance, Luke.
All right, go on. Do that.
Hey, I don't even know what. I can't even think of a song now.
You're nervous.
I can't think of a song. I can't think of a song.
Under the song we did yesterday.
Huh?
The song we did yesterday. Maybe I played on guitar.
Oh, that was a Bob Marley tune.
Yeah, you could do that. Yeah, it's wicked. I want the artist that's not Bob Marley. We can't Bob Marley.
I'm not Chuck Patois in that song there.
No.
He doesn't say, he's not speaking Patois.
And everybody know Bob Marley. Or about who listen to sing dancehall? Buju Banton.
Buju Banton, yeah.
Which Buju song you know?
I'm not gonna say the lyrics.
Okay, so it's the one way they bring up the other day,
yeah. Oh no. Oh, Wanna Be Loved. Best tune by Buju Banton, Wanna Be Loved.
You want to give 5 seconds?
I wanna be loved, not for who you think I am, but what you want me to be. Truly loving for me, real love, with no strings attached. I wanna give you my heart, don't wanna take it back.
Oh, the fire, lighter! Look at that, so.
Yeah.
By the way, thank you a lot for the video, it was pretty cool.